Yo, what up guys, welcome to a brand new video on my channel. Today we're looking at another Shopify tutorial, so without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, I have created a test store to do these tutorials with. So this is not a real Shopify store, it's just a test store. But what we're looking at today is how to create a discount code within Shopify. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, we have our Shopify dashboard right here, and on the left side we have all those options. But what we're looking at today is discounts, and once we're here, you can actually click on this green button right at the top to create a discount. Let's say we want to create a custom discount, so click on discount code, and let's just say our discount code is spring sale 20. We just put it in right there. You can also choose to generate a code, but for this video we just use spring sale 20. Assuming spring sale 20 is a discount code where the customer can get 20% off, we want to click on percentage, but you can also give a fixed amount discount, or even use a free shipping discount code, or do a buy two get free discount, or something like that. But all we're looking at today is click on percentage. So let's say we want to give a discount of 20% of all of our products, and use it on all products. We just keep that checked. From there on, you can choose to bind requirements to the discount. So let's say you want customers to get a 20% discount on products or orders above 20 euros. Then you just put in 20 euros, but most of the time we'll use none requirements. Customer eligibility, well, I always leave it on everyone, except for if you have a customer list or an email list where you want to put this discount in and want specific customers to be able to use a discount. You can always choose to browse and just select specific customers that can use the discount. But other than that, we'll leave it on everyone. And last but not least, you can choose how many times the discount can be used in total or by per customer. So let's say I only want this discount to be used once for every customer. The customer can only place an order once with the discount code. You just select this one, and the customer can not place two orders with 20% off, but only one. So I leave that checked, and well, of course, the date. When do you want to start the discount? Do you want it to end? Then you can also set up that right here. And other than that, we are ready to go. So once you've done all these checks, you can click on save discount code. From there on, you have created your first discount code. So now you can use spring sale 20 at checkout to get 20% discount on your order. Another option is to get a shareable link. As you can see, you can share this link to your customer in, let's say, a customer support chat or something like that, to automatically apply the discount to the card of the customer. So that's really cool feature. And other than that, you have just created your discount code. So that's about it for today. I hope this video helped you. I hope you're going to make a lot of money with Shopify, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great one.